Hey Stampin' friends, this is Rachel Kuhn with the Joy of Stamping with Rachel, and I'm sharing with you today amazing cards using the Filled with Sweetness bundle. This is part of our Mega Stamp Camp suite where we're sharing with you 12 different cards. I'm doing 4 designs, and this is just one of my 4 plus a bonus soon to come. Be sure to like and comment below the things or ask me questions as well about this card. This is using a brand new suite and bundle called Filled with Sweetness. They have stamps and then they have dies that are just amazing that cut out all these great shapes to finish off these cards. It also has an embossing folder. That's an extra item on there. That's so sweet. It's called Ladybug Picnic. And look at those like little ladybugs with, I want to say those are flowers. For a second there I thought it looked like a dragonfly, but it looks like it's just a flower. So much texture. I feel like this is like the perfect teacher card. We have a little bit of fruit, so it's kind of like neutral as far as thoughts go or likes go. And then we have this little piece of designer series paper that looks like paper. How perfect is that? And then who wouldn't want to say thank you to a teacher? Teacher Appreciation Month is in May, so that's something that you want to make sure you have cards ready for. This would be a great design for that. Let's go ahead and grab our pieces for this. If you are a part of our Mega Sweet Stamp Camp, you'll get everything paper-wise ready for you cut out. So I will cut out your card base. I'll have your embossing folder for you and anything that's die cut out. So we have this cute little bows and our tag there. Your DSP, however, you'll have to cut this out yourself using the measurements provided in your PDF. Let's grab our bone folder and let's do some stamping first. So let's get our thank you ready to go. And then we'll do some assembling. Just a little tiny piece of basic white with our thank you here. I'm using the Secret C this time, but it's up to you what ink pad you have. Night of Navy would work, Misty Moonlight would work. Choose the color, but make it a shade of blue to make it coordinate just super nice. I'm going to do a quick practice. We'll do our thank you, ink it up, and stamp. That looks pretty good. Ink it up, and stamp it onto your basic white. If you mess up the first time, don't worry, paper has 2 sides and you may flip it over and try again. That's a great thank you though. Let me carefully put this ink away and we'll go ahead and get ready to assemble now. So grabbing our card base, we're going to first attach on the back side, well, front side, but we need to use our stamping still on the back to attach our ribbon. We're going to do a little strip about 1.5 inches on the sides where we think we're going to put our ribbon. I'm going about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches up, I would say, from the bottom. And then grab our ribbon. Oh, I thought I had some ready in this one, but it doesn't look like it, so let me go a quick trim. This is this beautiful ribbon that has the Misty Moonlight. It's a checkered trim, so much fun. What I usually don't measure my ribbon whenever I am cutting for paper like this. Instead, I just leave 1 inch off on each side and then trim it like that. All right, now we'll go to our front side, lay it down flat and tight, and tuck it behind by pressing down. Look to make sure it looks pretty straight. It looks pretty good. Then we may attach this to our card base. For this one, I highly recommend using liquid glue now because of all these nooks and crannies. It's hard to get that double-sided adhesive to lay nicely in there. There we go. Make sure this sticks really good. Flip it over and place it on our card base. I'm using the Basic Beige, which is such a great neutral. I think it's underused sometimes, so I love bringing it out to make it a little bit different than just a basic white. All right, next layer, let's get our designer series paper, grab some liquid glue, and we're going to slide it underneath our ribbon. This ribbon isn't attached right here, so we have some wiggle room. Just be careful since that is liquid glue, so I'm going to lift this up slightly, and I'm going to slide it, and then I'm going to have it at an angle. I don't want this straight on, so I'm having it veer a little bit to the right. Nice. Then for my next piece, I'm using dimensionals for the back of this guy. It doesn't go too far over my ribbon, so all I want dimensionals on this one is on the top and bottom. So I'm going to do a couple. These are my extra dimensionals. Getting all my money's worth out of it, right? So just make sure you use the backing of it. All right, so I'm going to go top here, top there. Oh, I love this paper. Isn't that so cute? These little jars. Like so. Remove the backing. Okay. Stick it and flip it. I'm going to have this come at an angle again, opposite direction of our last DSP. Our bottom piece goes to the right. This one's going to the left with our corner there. Tucking that under. Grabbing our cute little tag and our thank you. Grabbing just a little bit of liquid glue. And putting this right in the middle. Nice. Then we're going to grab a dimensional just for the back of behind the U. So I'm going to flip it over, make sure I know where that U is. That was a weird word, that U is. And then I'm going to put a little bit of liquid glue right here. Remove the backing, flip it over, and we want this to come off onto that beautiful fruit paper, but have a little bit of side over here too. So just creating all of these delicious layers. Oh, so pretty. Luckily, the nice thing about these layers, they're not honestly too thick though. So I could send this in the mail with no issue at all, especially since my embellishment is super soft. All right, next we just need to grab our cute little bow. For this one, you can either use a glue dot. I'm just going to use a little bit of liquid glue and fill in my dot right there. I'm going to place this, making sure I'm not covering up my thank you though. So I want to make sure I can still see that. That's the important part of this card. Pressing down, let it stick. Then we're going to grab our cute little strawberry. These are part of these embellishment called strawberries and dots. So we have dots and we have strawberries. Grab the strawberry and put that in the center of your bow. Oh my goodness, this is just so cute. I love this one. This is a pretty easy layout, but just with all the layers, it makes it amazing and such a great simple saying right there. Just a thank you, simple thank you. This is just one of my designs. Let me get my other ones in so you make sure that you want to watch my other videos. I have the jar strawberry jam. I have our awesome honey bear card that you don't want to miss. And then I have a very simple but beautiful homemade for you cards that you can learn how to make as well. All right, hope you enjoyed this video and happy stamping everyone. Goodbye.